In the coming days, I will be presenting to you the patriotic form of government, wherein first rank in the leadership is the indigenous people, but the only leader is Bathala. So this is now the time for us to discern and know what is going on, understand what is really happening in terms of legal arena, non-legal arena, and at the same time, businesses. Okay? Why is it that you don't know how to ask question in order for you to answer your own question? This is not a matter of asking other people to know what is happening. Let yourself know what is happening. Okay? That is why to those who are complainant, you tainted the dignity of Maharlika nation, where in fact no case filed by the government. No case filed by the government. Who filed the case against? Who subpoena Maharlika nation's leadership? Philippine National Police under Socorro, in leadership of Police Captain Alex Celes. What is your intention? You are going to answer that in court, because we will fight you and we let the whole world know what is really happening. Magugulat ka kung sino ang magpa-file ng kaso sa iyo. Ako pa lang ang nakikita mo, but I'm very willing to take my life here, risk my life here. That is why I asked and I told everyone during my previous life that I have a notion that there are some powerful person in Surigao del Norte who wanted to curtail the ideals of Maharlika nation, because they have also self-vested interest on the land of Maharlika, wherein Maharlika nation situated. I know that story. That is why, do not force me to inform the whole world that I have already a notion that there are some politicians, business leaders in that particular province, in that particular municipality, who wanted to destroy the credibility of the Maharlika nation leadership, because first and foremost, they have a self-vested interest on the land wherein Maharlika nation situated. But I promise you, you cannot destroy the will of Bathala, because you are not a powerful than him. Okay? I am not supposed to file a case against you because I do believe principles of forgiveness. But it doesn't mean that I am going to file a case against you in behalf of Maharlika nation, millions of Maharlikan all over the world. I am not supposed to do this. I am not supposed to file a case against you. No, again, I reiterate that it doesn't mean that I'm going to file a case against you. I am angry, I am upset. No, that's not the principle behind. What I want is, I want you to learn your lesson. I want you to learn your lesson that you cannot underestimate the wisdom of an ordinary spokesperson of Maharlika. You think that I am poor among the poor because I keep on saying that I am ordinary. I don't have no land. I don't have piece of land. I don't have a, what we call this, a personal house and lot. I don't have property. At this point of time, I don't have work. But you, remember, cannot judge the book by its cover. A lot of people says that I am a gay. A lot of people wanted to destroy my personality. They kept on telling me that I am a gay. They kept on telling me that I am a bastard. They kept on telling me that I am nothing. Compared to the level of their intelligence. But through that actions of yours, you forgot that I am more than you. I am more than you. So that's the reason why I will devote my time. This is now the time for me. Now, if you are going to fight me back, then find a case that I cannot go out into prison. I want you to file a case against me For those who mock at me, a case wherein I cannot go out into prison. Because when I have a chance to go out in a prison, I will not let you experience what I am supposed to experience, but you will be able to experience prison, being in prison outside the cell. Mark my word. That is why ordinary people, ordinary Filipino Maharlikans who are listening at this point of time, this is not just simple job. It is not a simple job. It is not a simple task to enlighten the mind of the people who are wherein in reality I don't know them. I don't know you. No? This is your choice, whether you believe me or not. But a lot of people keep on criticizing my point because as if I'm doing this because I really wanted to get an attention of the whole world. I am not a politician. Take note of that. I am not an influential person. I am not an artist that I need a fans club. I am not a politician that I need a vote. I don't have any intentions to have a seat in a Congress or a Senate. I don't like politics. Before, I really like politics, but when I am enlightened, politics is just simply a dirty profession. Papasok kang malinis, lalabas kang madumi. A lot of people says that I am annoying. I am what we call voiceless. I am what we call this. I'm just simply a nuisance. No, I am like pamatong. No, I'm not. You commit mistake by simply judging that way. As far as my actuation is concerned, remember, I am doing this because I love all of you. I am doing this because I don't want that Maharlika leadership will be destroyed by someone. I am just simply willing to sacrifice, not in order for me to become a hero, but I just simply following the will of Bathala that I really need to perform, because I always ask myself, who am I to resist the will of God? I am nothing. I will become nothing if I am not obedience to the will of Bathala. So since Bathala give me a strength, wisdom, knowledge and intelligence, and wisdom, most importantly wisdom, wherein the soul of my spirit, so I really need to perform my task, my duties and responsibility to the humanity. If Jesus Christ was being put into sentence by just simply telling the truth, the message of salvations, why I can't do it? Even though not say, considering myself as I am Jesus Christ. But remember, the things or the good things that Jesus Christ and the noble person, we can imitate it. Not perfectly, but excellently. That is why to those who mock and judge Maharlika nation, you will suffer under the principles of civil law, at the same time the customary law. Remember, in a universal divine government, we cannot predict every minute. We cannot say exactly what will happen, because the will of Bathala is not really programmed by person, by people. You cannot. Remember, when you die, you cannot really know the exact time when you die. Okay? So that's why life is so mysterious. Now, instead of collaborating, instead of understanding, in order for us to really achieve unity in the midst of diversity, why you keep on destructing Maharlikan focus to help and implement program for humanity? Why is it that you wanted to destroy wherein I did nothing wrong as a spokesperson of Maharlika? If a spokesperson of the president, you are free to mock at him. No, in my capacity, no, in my position as Datu, at the same time spokesperson of Maharlika, starting today, I will not tolerate that such kind of actions. I don't want to humiliate Maharlika nation wherein wanted to regain and redeem the dignity stolen by those who colonize us. Are you not thankful of that? Are you not thankful that there is someone who are willing to put his life into miserable situation in order for you to become more comfortable? Because that's what your dream. That's what you're dreaming of ever since in memorial, right? Now, I am now in front of you offering my life, offering my expertise, offering my talents, offering my positivity. Why you keep on disproving, what we call this, neglecting? No, it doesn't mean that I am asking you. No, it doesn't mean that I can please everybody. But if we cannot please anybody, meaning there's a tendency that we can please anybody. Because the balance of life is the black and white. That's why I always saying that whether you like it or whether you like it very much, you don't have option but to embrace this such kind of principle. Because this is very rare. No? This is very rare opportunity for you. This what I can offer to the new generation. I don't want to die without what we call this, wherein my life will be put into meaningless. I want to die, be remembered that I am true Maharlikan, even though I am only remember my what we call this, my performance. It doesn't mean that I am doing this because I am saying that I am looking good and better than you. No, I am not that one. I am just simply saying this because I really wanted you to know that this is the program of Maharlika Nation,